We've been installing a lot of patios and walkways lately, but the choices of materials are limitless and they seem to be getting more every day.
Yes, I mean, traditionally, the stone products have been used a lot. We still do a lot with that. And I know, Liz, you like to use that broken flagstone.
It's got a lot of character, it's a little bit less formal, but the Bluestone has been very popular too.
Yeah, the bluestone or flagstone works out very well. It's tighter joints and it works out really well, especially for like a main sidewalk or a little neater look than the broken flagstone.
But recently there's been a lot of development in pavers, concrete pavers, to mimic that stone look as well.
Exactly. I mean, this one here, even though this is a very small sample, that whole network all put together, it's actually a good strong paver, but it mimics the stone look.
Gives you that kind of irregular shape to it. But then some of the paver slabs, like these over here, give you that more neat look of the Bluestone.
Yes, and these are done with multiple sizes and put in all as a random pattern. And they actually have the texture of stone to mimic the stone, but it's a much stronger material.
And the variation in the color looks like natural stone as well.
So why would you use pavers versus stone?
It's more, what you're looking to do with that surface. Like you said, if it's a front walkway, you want it a little bit more smooth. If you're looking for kind of a patio in the back or a sidewalk up to the house, that irregular stone can be really nice.
Because some people just want to have stone.
Right.
And strength is another consideration, because with the thin pieces of stone, large slabs, they're not very strong.
Right.
You certainly don't want to drive over them. So.
Or if you're looking to put furniture on it, you want to make sure you've got something that's got a little bit bigger pieces and less gaps.
Tighter joints. Okay.
So if you've got any questions about the different materials for your hardscaping project, give us a call. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hotelling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.